guys, today I'm going to tell you the review of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is one of my favorite books. This book is illustrated by Quentin Blake and this book is written by Roald Dahl. So these are the three main characters of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is Mr. Willy Wonka. He is the creator and owner of the Chocolate Factory. And this is Charlie. He is a king of chocolate, but he can never get some because he's really poor. This is Grandpa Jew. He is the grandfather of Charlie Bucket. He is always excited about things. So what happens in this book is, there's once a little boy named Charlie Bucket, and he loves chocolate, but he can never get some. So one day, Mr. Willy Wonka announces on the news that there are going to be 5 golden tickets and 5 Wonka bars, and they could be in any country, any city, any shop, and any store. The 5 children who get those golden tickets will be allowed to enter the chocolate factory. So Charlie opens 2 chocolate bars and he gets nothing, but the third one he gets, there is a Wonka bar inside and there is a golden ticket. So he goes to the chocolate factory. There are also 4 children. They get stuck in different places because they are very naughty. Charlie doesn't because he is a very nice. So you will have to read the book to know the end. So bye. Comment down below which is your favorite Roald Dahl book. Bye. I'll see you next time.